Hey, what's up? This is Paul from Swarfworks. I've got another product here. This is another bracket to mount a chase light or a dust light to your F150, 2015 or newer. Let me just show you how quick and easy this is. So I've already got the Baja Designs S1 on here. You can put S2 on here. You can put Cube Light on here. Let me show you how quick this is. Just pop that bracket off. Just sandwiches in between there. And there you go. Now we can just run that up to an upfitter. Just show you how clean that is. And it's super strong. So there you go. Another quick and easy way to mount some chase lights to your truck.